Want to manifest 10 grand today? Can you or can't you? That's what we're going to be talking about today. Me and the wonderful Harrison, you already know. Harrison's going to ask me questions. He only told me what it's going to be about. I don't know the questions. So please do tell.
So you say that manifestation can happen instantly, right? So if someone wanted to manifest $10,000 today, what would actually need to happen for that money to show up?
Well, first and foremost, it is totally possible. It has been done. So yes, you can have it. Yes, you can do it. Uh, what you would have to do is, and that's where all of you will fail. You need to have nervous system from different planet. You need to have nervous system of die hard. Um, you mustn't care. You mustn't give a shit whether you receive it or not. That's number one thing. That's the only way you can receive it in time crunch. You absolutely mustn't care. It mustn't be, I need it, I need it, I need it. I'm gonna die if I don't get it. I need it, I need it. Then you're gone. You're too far gone. It's not gonna happen. So it must be like 10K today, make it happen. Oh my God, hot chocolate or coffee? I don't know. What do you think? And that's the end of story. And if you think about it, if you worry about it, if your stomach is knotted, if whatever, if you have butterflies in your stomach, whatever, it's not going to happen. The chance is very, very little. It has to be like someone, remember someone you respect, someone who's got really potential to make decisions in a second and never back off of them, JR or whomever you like in politics, or you don't even have to like them, but you know that they're great decision makers. You need to have that attitude. I said, this is going to happen. It's going to happen. I don't have time for this shit. I need to move on. I got stuff to do. That's the way to manifest whatever you want in time crunch when you're really, really, really need the stuff to happen. But the trick is, say, I don't really care if I get it or not. Fuck it. That's the clue. And I have a story about that. Some of you might have seen the video, but the video's relatively old now. It's over a year or two old, so lots of you haven't seen it. I went to Mercedes um, to have a yearly service, and they told me, "Oh, it's going to be this amount of money." I was like, "Yeah, okay, not thrilled, but of course you pay for it. You know it. It's going to happen. You pay for it." Yeah, but Mrs. Green, you may need new set of brakes. Like, oh shit, how much are those? He's like, another 500. Oh God. Okay, yeah, of course I prefer to live, so please change them, but what the fuck? And the service always takes 3 hours exactly. So I'm sipping my hot chocolate and 2.5 hours. And I was like, shoot, I didn't manifest the breaks. And I looked up, I always look up when I talk to you, and I was like, you know what? I don't feel like paying for it. I don't like surprises of this kind. So you know what? I'm not paying for it. Do whatever you want, but it's not coming anywhere near my wallet. And I'm going to have them anyway. Nice chatting to you. And I went to get another hot coffee, another hot chocolate. And I had one little freak. I was like, you got half an hour. Come on. It's not going to happen. Shut the fuck up. Of course it's going to happen because I said so and because they know what they're doing and they love me. So, working, working, working. And the person who's responsible for my car, our cars, she's fantastic. She comes over. So, Yada, we're gonna give you this for free. We're gonna give you this with a 20% discount, this with 20% discount, this thing I erased. Don't tell anyone. So basically, I paid the exact amount without the brakes. So Mercedes paid £500 for my brakes. And everyone who knows Mercedes knows that almost even the toilet paper isn't free. Okay, so this is one of the biggest miracles you can have. I manifested it in half an hour. That was £500. You have whole day to manifest 10 grand. Do I think you can do it? Of course you can. Does it make sense?
Hmm.
But I wasn't hung up on and I'm not gonna pay it. They install it and I'm not gonna pay it. And there's gonna be a fight. It's like, no, I do have the money. Of course I will pay for it. I'm not an idiot or a psycho, but I don't feel like paying for it. Sort it out. And look what they did. Just easy, just too easy. But you have to not be needy. You have to be relaxed about it. Does it make sense? Was there another question?
Yeah, so obviously you've explained how instantly it can happen, but for some people they ask for money and then they'll wait weeks, months, or years for it. Why is that?
I know. I asked lots of people in my email newsletter this question, how much you want to manifest, and I got so many replies, and lots of them I haven't manifested in 4 years, 5 years, 30 years. And I'm like, how? How is that even physically possible? When you say you want something and you expect it to be done, and you behave like the person who has that money. And if it's millions, you behave like a millionaire before the money arrives. It's guaranteed. It's not possible not to manifest money. So you're totally blocking it. You haven't embodied the version of you which is rich. You haven't embodied the version of you which is a millionaire. And you're not going to get it. Well, it's so easy. You just need to behave, feel, and look like the person who already has the money. And if you want to know how to do that, I'm teaching that in an upcoming webinar. We are putting the link into the free upcoming webinar where I talk about how to embody being a rich person or a millionaire. And the link is down below in the video description, and we expect to see you there, all of you. Did that answer your question, Harrison?
Yeah, perfectly.
Fantastic. Thank you. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.